Hey YouTube, this is George from Cherry Creek Refrigeration. Just wanted to show you guys these new relays. We're having a lot of problems with these relays. They're lasting about 3 years and then it looks like you got locked rotor. These are these new spark-proof relays. If you look inside of it, it has a computer inside of it. It's all computerized, and that just slides right into the middle of the relay. That helps it go in and out. You'll show locked rotor. I know they've changed the relay now a little bit, but change the relay. You don't have a bad compressor. Make sure you change the relay. Have a good day. Bye.